Okay, here's my latest toy. I had a $100 gift card from Lowe's. So now I got me a bandsaw. I'm unsure about the Porter Cable brand name. I couldn't find any reviews on it, but we're going to take a chance and see how it goes. I needed a bandsaw and now I've got one. Alright, we got another little useless little T-square. Got a book, a plate, some parts.
Wearing the road white jerseys under the shotgun against the first and 15 from the Pittsburgh 32.
Now this is just a little tabletop. It has a max height of 3.5 inches, which is probably all I'll ever need because as long as I have the ability to cut a 2x4 on end, I think that's all I need. So here we go. It's a nice metal case. It's got a very small band on it. We'll have to see about that. But my nice little bandsaw. We'll put it together and see how it goes. Well, for what it's worth, the dust collection seems to work pretty good. I don't see a big pile underneath here. I got some on the table here, but that's it. So at least the dust collection works. And it does, it's slow going with the grain, but when you cut against the grain, it cuts right through that. So we'll see. Time will tell. It's definitely underpowered. I forget what it is. Quarter horsepower, I think. I forget exactly what it is. So I'm not overly happy with it, but I guess I'm stuck with it for a while. And it did cut it. It did cut them, so.